how to easily hand stitch a scallop or picot hem. It's also been called a lettuce hem for some reason on websites like Topshop. And yeah, let's get into it. So this, you just repeat the same 2 steps over and over. So you want to do a loop around the hem twice, pulling it tight to bunch in the corners, and then stick your needle back in underneath and then back out so that it's evenly spaced where you, like how big you want the scallop to be, and then you continue again with looping it around the hem, pulling it tight, and continuing. It's pretty simple. So I started off testing the stitch out on my little bunny here. I made him a little shirt, and so I made him a little shirt, and I practiced on a scrap piece of t-shirt fabric that I made for him, and decided how big I wanted the scallops to be, and also figured out how I wanted to like work it out, whether or not I wanted the dash to be on the outside or on the inside of the hem. Also, it's easier to hem collars than it is the hemming on your arms, on your sleeves, or on your on the bottom of your shirt. And yeah. For watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something new. I love how simple this is, and like how you can spice up anything you're kind of bored with and you want to be just a little bit different. Which anyone can do it. It's really simple. Do it on a sewing machine, or you can hand sew it. And in the future, if you don't like it anymore, or if it's like not in style anymore, you can always just seam rip it out, and you'll have your shirt the way that it was before. So it's nothing, you know, permanent. So yeah, if you like this video, you can give it a like, and if you subscribe, you see more stuff in the future. I said that wrong. Here's a clip of my bunnies.